All right, riders feel 4.3 Gs at the bottom of a vertical circle. What's the ride pulling in Gs and meters per second squared? And what do they feel at the top? Okay, so remember, at the top it's 1G plus, or I'm sorry, minus the ride. And at the bottom it's 1G plus the ride. Okay, so if you feel if 1G plus the ride is equal to 4.3, that means the ride is 3.3. That devilry was 4.3 minus 1. All right, so the ride is 3.3, right? At the top, they're going to feel 1G minus the ride. So let's do that. 1G minus 3.3 is negative 2.3 Gs, right? Right, that would be inverted. Wow, that'd be a fun ride, wouldn't it? Be upside down, plastered to the top of this thing. Okay, so that's inverted Gs. The ride would be 3.3 Gs, right? And let's turn that into meters per second squared. So you go 3.3 Gs times 9.8. So you take Gs, multiply by 9.8, that'll give you meters per second squared. So 3.3 times 9.8 is 32.34 meters per second squared. Okay, so let's see. What is the ride pulling? 3.3 Gs, right? Okay, so just set up this situation for whatever I tell you. Figure out the ride, right? You can multiply that by 9.8 and get meters per second squared. And then what do they feel at the top, right? They're going to feel 1G minus that. So when you do this stuff, that of course has to be in Gs, okay? So 1G minus 3.3 is inverted 2.3.